Hi, today I'd like to present Beans, the benchmark of animal sounds. My name is Masato, and this is a joint project with my colleagues listed here at Earth Species Project. In the field of bioacoustics, there's a rising popularity of machine learning methods, often used to process a large amount of data which are collected from recording devices in the field. However, different research papers and projects focus on different datasets, species, and models, which makes it difficult to compare machine learning methods in a fair and standardized fashion. If we turn our eyes onto other areas of machine learning, there's a set of standardized datasets and benchmarks for measuring the performance of machine learning models. For example, there are MNIST and ImageNet for computer vision, and GLUE and SuperGLUE for natural language processing, or NLP. This is why we are proposing BEANS, or the benchmark of animal sound, a collection of bioacoustics tasks and public datasets, specifically designed to measure the performance of machine learning algorithms in the field of bioacoustics. Specifically, BEANS includes two common bioacoustics tasks, which are classification and detection. And it consists of 12 datasets covering diverse species, including birds, land and marine mammals, amphibians, and insects. We also included an auxiliary task, which covers two datasets that are commonly used as a benchmark in the acoustic and speech domains. We also benchmarked the performance of a set of standard machine learning methods as a baseline, including non-deep learning and deep learning models. We use accuracy as a metric for classification tasks and mean average precision for detection tasks. Our main findings are as follows. VGG-ish works best overall, followed by pre-trained resident models. Among non-deep learning methods, SVM shows good results, often beating deep learning models. We also notice that there's larger room for improvement for detection tasks. To conclude, we presented BEANS, a collection of bioacoustics tasks and public datasets, specifically designed to measure the performance of machine learning algorithms in the field of bioacoustics. The benchmark, as well as all the code we used for the experiments, is publicly available on this GitHub repository. Thank you for listening.